Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of how to fix the squeaking noise on your Ridstar.
¿Dónde están las tortas?
So you need to grab this WD-40, the silicone edition, and you're gonna take out the cover right here. As you can see, this cover's already gone. And you're gonna spray some right in the hole, like this. Yeah. And then put some on the outside as well, like that. And then do it for the other side as well. Yeah, so here, there's the cover. Just remove it. There you go. Put it in the hole again. Oh, yeah. Then put it on the outside as well. Then, yeah, let it flow, let it flow. And you can see it's working and the sound is gone.
¿Dónde están las tortas?